Hello, guys. What's up, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so my YouTube channel is actually Amiable's Corner. Okay, it's nice being here. Yes, this is actually the first video you are seeing on my YouTube channel because we just started. And we are not just starting for starting sake. We're starting because we're bringing lots of things to you, things you will love. Okay, so Amiable's Corner is all about mini importation with a touch of lifestyle. Okay, so on this channel, we'll be teaching you how to import from China, from Bangladesh, from Vietnam, and from India. We'll be teaching you how to import from these four countries, straight to your doorstep. Okay, so that's what this channel is all about, how to successfully import from these countries, most especially China, straight to your doorstep. Okay, we'll be teaching you how to source from so many sites. We'll be teaching you how to chat up a supplier. We'll be teaching you how to bargain and negotiate with a supplier. Okay, so if a supplier is saying this is my price, we'll teach you how to bargain, and that supplier will actually reduce the price for you. Okay, so we'll be teaching you all about how to bring it down, not just buying, how to also bring it down from China or from these other three countries straight to your doorstep. We'll be teaching you and telling you shipping companies that will actually bring in your items without issues. Okay, because there are so many shipping companies out there that if you use them, it's something else. So this channel is here to teach you all of this and support you. And also, we'll be doing unboxing of products. Okay, so yeah, we are not just here to come and teach you because just because we want to teach you. No, we'll be showing you life experiences. In the process of this channel, I'll be showing you how I bargain from suppliers, how I bargain with suppliers, how I buy, how I ship, shipping companies I use that are easier, especially for beginners, and how I bring it down to my house and how I unbox. Okay, so we'll be talking about all of these. And also on this channel, we'll be talking about product comparison. Yeah, we'll be comparing so many products. Yes, we'll be buying products from so many sites. 168, Alibaba, mention them. We'll be buying products from different sites and then we'll be comparing to know which one you can actually purchase, so you don't waste your time, waste your money and all of that. Okay, so please do well to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that. Please do well to like this video, do well to turn on your notification bell so that when next I post a video, you actually be the first to see it, right? Okay, so please, if you've not done all of that, please do well to do it. So this channel is actually really focused on students, sit at home moms, okay, and those that are into small businesses. You're doing one or two businesses and you actually, and maybe buying it in Nigeria here is very expensive for you, so you actually want to import straight from China, Bangladesh, or whichever country of these four we mentioned, and then you want to bring it straight to your doorstep so that you can sell and get profits. So this channel is actually for you. Okay, so please don't go anywhere because you'll be amazed as to how we'll be bringing you lots and lots of videos that will actually help you. Yes, we're not here to play. We'll bring videos to you that will actually help your business. Okay, so please, once again, if you've not subscribed, please help us subscribe. Please like the video, turn on your notification bell, so it will motivate us to bring more videos to you. Okay, thank you very much. This is actually the first video. Yes, this channel is not about perfection. No, we are not perfect, and that's why we'll be telling you our pitfalls, our joys. We'll be carrying you through our testimonies, through our pain, because there are times where we've actually wanted to stop the business, but we kept on moving. So we'll be bringing all of these stories to you, so that the things we know now and what we've gone through as a starter, you will not actually go through such. Okay, yours will be actually better. Being in this importation business for over 6 years, we've actually learned so much. I've actually I've undergone so much. So I'll actually be guiding you so that you don't make the same mistakes I have made. So this channel is not about perfection. No, if you want us to be perfect, please, this channel is not all about that. Okay, it's guiding you through everything we've been through, and then telling you the right things to do so that you come out victorious, and the pitfalls and the troubles will be very, very minimized. Okay, so that's what this channel is actually all about. So once again, welcome to Amiable's Corner, where importation meets lifestyle. Thank you, and see you in my next video. I love you.